Hello guys, so I'm just going to get to it. This is an analysis of how I'm getting on and how these drawings went today. So, still don't know whether I like number one, this one here. It's around the chest and kind of torso, upper torso area that I'm not entirely sure, but the arms I really like, as well as the tutu and the placement of the legs. Utilised geometric and observational methods, and to be honest I used them for all three. Number two, this one here on the right, I was a little bit heavy handed with the pencil, hence why it's so dark. That is an ongoing aspect that I need to address, which I need to stop doing. So, and sorry, apologies for how I'm talking. I'm very stuffy with a really bad cold. But anyway, drawing must go on. Number two is good speed again, geometric and observational, but I got an overall better outcome. So speedily along to number three. I feel like number three is the best one, specifically because it was just the upper body area with the head, torso and arms. I feel because I only had a small amount of area left, I feel that that's the best outcome that I've done so far. I'm really happy with it. And yeah, I feel like my drawing skills are improving really quickly now. If you go back and see other videos, I would really much appreciate it, and a wee bit of critiquing would be awesome from you guys, my fellow artists. And yeah, let me know, and also let me know if you are utilising the learning methods that I've been using to basically speed my learning. So, drawing, I should say. So, yeah.